Did you know that when you buy a brand new house, you save an average of $902 in insurance, $600 in profits, and $318 in potential repairs? This adds up to a total of $4,520 per year in savings or extra cash flow, both of which can translate to more money in your pocket. So tell me, do you prefer newly built houses or existing houses that are already on the market? Let me know down in the comments. And for those who are looking for newly built houses, you came to the right episode, because today I will share how and where you can get a brand new house from the comfort of your home. That's right, buying new houses not only brings monetary benefits, but also peace of mind. With brand new houses, you won't have to worry about code violations. New homes are usually built up to current construction code, and that translates to peace of mind, time saved, and money saved for you. Having a code compliant home saves you from potential fines, assuming you're working with the right builder. And speaking of builders, today we will talk about Southern Impression Homes. They build beautiful houses in Florida and Georgia and have years of experience building new homes, and they also help their investor clients manage their real estate investments. And today we will explore their portfolio of houses to offer for those interested in buying or investing in the Florida and Georgia states. Let's get started. And here we are in Southern Impression Homes website. As you can see, they worked in multiple areas in the Florida area and also in Atlanta. Just to give you a quick overview, they work in northeast of Florida, north central Florida, southwest Florida, and the greater Atlanta area. And these are the particular counties in where they build their homes. And to better depict their location, we're gonna go ahead and check out the different areas in Florida and in Atlanta. So first there's the Northeast, and Southern Impression Homes builds in Jacksonville and in Palm Coast. And if we take a look at the map, we're just gonna do a quick zoom out here and show you that this is the Florida state and Jacksonville is the area right here at the very north. So we're just gonna quickly do a zoom in just so you can get an idea where the location is. Still relatively nearby some of the beaches in the area. And Jacksonville is located north of Orlando and Gainesville, for those who are looking for a reference. Then there's Palm Coast right here. And same thing, this is the map of Florida state. And Palm Coast is this small area right here, south of Jacksonville. I will say, give or take, depending on how fast you drive, the distance from Jacksonville to Palm Coast could probably be somewhere around 45 minutes to an hour. And it's a bit south of Gainesville, but still north of Orlando. Now back to Southern Impression Homes site. There is the North Central Florida and the areas where they work. It's in Marion and Citrus County. In fact, I have a map right here. Marion County is this area right here. And I circle Ocala because this is exactly where Anthony and I invested with Southern Impression Homes. So we both bought properties in there. They're brand new. We bought them before they were even built. We waited a couple of months, and so far it's been a year with my property, and I'm very happy with their service and their attention to details and their way they communicate with their clients. And that's why we decided to bring them on to you, because we know we have a lot of investors following our channel looking to invest in real estate. And this is just to show you in perspective where Ocala is located, still north of Orlando, but south of Gainesville, and it's right at the south. Now, I know that some of you probably are curious about why Ocala and not the other areas. We like the fact that Ocala was actually located right in the middle of the state of Florida, so relatively far away from the coast right here, which for us, it translated to savings in flood insurance, so we didn't have to spend that additional cost. Of course, you have to keep in mind that whatever works for Anthony and I might not necessarily work for you, so you have to do your proper research, study the area, and in a bit we're going to show you how you can do it. But in the meantime, let's continue with showing where each of these areas are located. We talked about Citrus County right here. So let's just do a quick zoom out just to give you an idea where that's located. So it's on the west side. It's northwest of Orlando, north of Tampa, Clearwater, and St. Petersburg. So that's Citrus County right here. And on the southwest of Florida, they worked in the Charlotte County and Lee County right here. And just to give you a bit of perspective, that's Port Charlotte right here. So it's that tiny little dot right here that you see north of Fort Myers and Cape Coral on the west side of Florida. And Lee County, it's right here on the west side of West Palm Beach and Boca Raton. And yeah, so you have different locations for different tastes, different demographics. Now, in the greater Atlanta area, that's this area right here in the map. This is Atlanta, and this is the area that Southern Impression Home services. Now, let's go ahead and look at the fun stuff. Let's look at their houses. So let's check out this very first property they have right here. So very nice backyard, nice curb appeal over here. We have one of their units in the area just to show you how everything looks like. Nicely done, nicely beautiful finish. Look at that floor, look at the countertops, look at the cabinets. Now, I want to highlight something. The furniture that you see on the table does not come with the property. This is done for staging purposes to help you, the homeowner or the real estate investor, visualize how cozy and homey their properties can be. But the furnitures are not included. What's typically included in the purchase is the property, and depending on the contract, some of the appliances might come along with it. But again, this is solely for the purpose of helping you visualize how the property might look like. So we got the living room right here with an open concept to the kitchen. Then we have a nice entrance towards the backyard, or an exit in this case, depending on how you want to look at it. And this is the living room / kitchen looked at another angle, and another angle of the living room right here. The kitchen, beautiful granite countertops, beautiful kitchen once again with a nice zoom in so you can take a look at the area. There's the pantry on that door on the side, and another angle of this, and then another angle of the property right here. We have the bathroom finishes right here, beautiful. Also, the plans and the accessories that you see here do not come with the properties. This is just for staging purposes. Look at the nice finish of that bathroom over there. One of the bedrooms, another bedroom, and then another bedroom, and then another bedroom, and another bathroom, and another bedroom with a nice closet in it. Now let's check out this other property. So we have a very nice curb appeal, very nice finish, very nice green grass. And look at this beautiful bedroom with the vaulted ceiling, with the beautiful floors. And then look at the finishing of this bathroom and that beautiful stone right here at the countertop, and the bathroom finishes in the cabinet. And this is the entrance in the living room. This is another open concept layout, but as you can see, this property right here is a lot bigger than the one we just saw. So that's the living room / eating kitchen. And then we have another angle of the kitchen with the appliances. And then look at that size of that garage, perfect for those big families with multiple cars, or for those families who are very active and are looking to have a garage turn into a home gym. Why not? And look at this, one of the bedrooms turned into a home office for those who have the fortune to be able to telecommute. And here we have another bedroom used as a kid's room, and then another bedroom right here, which could be used as a guest room. And then another bathroom right here with beautiful finishes. And then another property right here. This one is very nice with a nice contemporary look and a nice curb appeal right here with a nice driveway. And look at the entrance of this house. Remember, the accessories, the paintings, the furniture is just solely for staging purposes. And look at the lighting that comes all the way from the back towards the entrance. I love having natural light in a house. Look at the finishing floors. And this is one angle of the eating kitchen looking towards the living room, then another home office over here, another bedroom over here, then another bedroom. Now, with all these beautiful pictures, I know it could be very difficult to kind of like decipher, are all properties looking the same, or is it depending on each of the area? You don't have to worry, because the website also shows you the different layouts that they have to offer depending on the area that you want to invest, whether it's in Florida or in Georgia. So let's say, for example, you looked at the property right here in North Central Florida and you want to check out the properties in Marion County, Ocala. All you got to do is just to click on Marion County, right here, right underneath floor plans, and it will take you straight to another page that's going to tell you a little bit about what Marion County has to offer, and then multiple different layouts of the different properties that they have to offer, whether it's a 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, you name it, right? And if you're curious to check out their floor plan, all you got to do is just to click on that green box right here where it says floor plan, and as soon as it opens up, there's a picture right here of the layout of the property. You got the garage, the living room. This is the entrance right here, the dining, kitchen, bedroom, master bedroom. So that's one property right there. There's another one you can check out, which is this one. Let's see. So same thing, you have a garage here, bedroom, living room, master bedroom. And there could be some additional pictures depending on the layout that you're looking at that you could definitely check out. And also a video walkthrough that you can, just venture into without having to leave your home. That's the beauty of technology, and that's how you get to see what the properties are like without having to fly down there or drive to the area. And like I said, they're all brand new for your investment portfolio or for you to buy as a home. For those who are ready to take immediate action right away and get in touch with Southern Impression Homes, there is this form right here that you can fill up and have a member of the Southern Impression team reach out to you. So it's pretty straightforward. So we got John Doe here, and what are you interested in? So very simple. You can check investment opportunity or leasing a property or any property management services if you want to go down that route with them. Provide your email, a phone number for contact information, and let them know how did you hear about them. In this case, you're learning about Southern Impression Homes from NOVARISE, so make sure you let them know that we sent you there so that they give you the proper treatment that you deserve. And any messages or anything that you want to let them know about questions or concerns you have about the area and the city that you're interested in investing and the state. And once you hit submit, a wonderful team member of Southern Impression Homes will be reaching out to you. And happy shopping. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.